Hello everybody, I want to welcome you. My name is Joe Galgo. I'm the new president of Baikoen, and we're going to have no more face-to-face meetings. We're going to be going on Zoom meetings the third Thursday of the month, 7:30 to 8:30, and we need all our members to participate. We're going to have, we accept donations, we have a great raffle to show up to Zoom. We have a great series put by Tom Lau out there to everybody to view. He's gone around a lot of houses and a lot of members, and it's worth seeing. We have a virtual show coming up, our winter silhouette. It's going to be February the 6th, 2021, starting at 12 p.m. on YouTube. And we're going to have an auction on Facebook starting from February 1st, 2021, ending on February 6th, 2021 at 3 p.m. And I want to thank you, and I have a great support team, Team Baikoen, and they're helping me very much to get this year going, and hope to see everybody at the meetings. Thank you.
Just exactly what Joe said in the Welcome 2021 message. We're going to continue our Zoom meetings in lieu of our face-to-face. Of course, we're going to continue our Safe Your Home series that you guys have been watching. We're going to kind of slow down just a little bit, just because this renovation is kind of killing me at the same time. It's also hard for me to get out. And last but not least, it's repotting season, and so we got to really take care of our trees at this point in time. Another thing is, of course, instead of our traditional winter silhouette this year, we're having a virtual show starting at, it should be premiering at 12 o'clock on February the 6th. Hope you guys to join us there. We'll probably have a live watch party. Hope you guys will join us for that one at least. And of course, we're not going to have our normal raffle that we have at the end of our show. So on February 6th, that's when the auction will end. We'll actually have an online auction. It will be a sub-page of the Facebook page for Baikoen. It will be a winter silhouette auction page. It'll be description will be below if you'd like to sign up for that one. A lot of really good stuff for you guys to auction off and really support our club. And other than that, thank you for all the likes, all the subscriptions to the YouTube channel. This whole thing wouldn't be available, wouldn't be out here like this without your support. So again, thank you for everything. And then if you need more information, it'll be in the description below. So hit those likes, and of course subscribe if you haven't. Again, welcome, and have a great 2021 year. See you, everybody.